congratulations, by the way, on your tie-up with Penguin and Audible. Why don't you tell us more about that?
Any company thrives on good partnerships, and yeah, the idea is to give access to as many authors as possible.
14 years की age में आपने first book लिखी थी, and cut to now you've written 20 books. That's massive.
I think I become kind of worse along the way. See, every artist is very self-critical about their work. No artist will say, "Oh, I love my face."
True.
Because I think somewhere we are torturous souls at the end of the day. When I started, my writing was very non-systematic, I would say, completely unorganized.
Oh.
As a writing should never be taken as a job. It should be taken as a creative endeavor. तुम्हारे में कुछ है जो तुम कन्वे करना चाहते हो to a set number of people. And if they like you, they will buy your as simple as. I love writing thrillers. I love writing cozy mysteries. I have such amazing religions around me. I have access to those religions.
इतना diverse है हमारे.
Yeah, and we live in a diverse country.
Right.
I would love to explore each and every aspect of them. I had written I don't want to say this, an obscure book called Unlocked at the age of 16. I don't want to talk about it. Get a good editor. I didn't realize the good value of that.
Yeah, I agree.
But there are books जहाँ पर इतनी grammatical mistakes है जो first draft में. I am someone जो मैं एक बार लिख देता हूँ किताब, I don't want to touch it again. And that's my writing habit. तुम marketing के through 7-8 हज़ार 9 हज़ार किताबें बेच दो. But beyond that.
Yeah, if you want to go
देखा तो beyond.
हाँ.
तभी आपकी 70-1 लाख कॉपी बिकी.
How do you think the publishing industry is tackling with this?
I think they're not tackling.
They are not.
I think they should. I'm a voracious reader. Every day I am not reading a book. I think I'm the worst guy to ask this because I indulge myself in these but I have a sense of responsibility towards my readers. My readers are waiting. एक साल होने आ रहा है. They'll get anxious. I might lose them. मेरे को तो hunger ही थी उस टाइम पे कि यार कुछ बड़ा करना है. मतलब वो हंगर ही नहीं है तो फिर कैसे राइटर बन.
मैं जनपद घूम रही थी, कनॉट प्लेस जनपद, और ऐसे ही चलते पूछना भी नहीं, मैंने देखा, I saw your book, I was like, आप केविन सक्सेसफुल हुआ है.
I wanted to have that moment where I'm sitting in my car, एक पायरेट वो एक आते विंटर में कि यार प्लीज I'm की बुक लेना, तो कैसी बुक है. I was going the right, I didn't be a person दिया ना something, और हमने एक किताब देखती गई यहाँ पर पायरेट है. तो मैंने बोला कैसी चल रही है, सब चल रही है. तो मैंने बोला कि पता है ना ऑथर में आप अच्छा ऑथर हो. He smiled. I smiled back at him. And that was it. Walkwood is a piracy. What I could call it. मेरी जो बॉक्स सेट है काल्की की, he was selling it at $1,400 when the MRP is $1,000. मैं बोलता मैं चीप में बेच रहा हूँ.
So राइटर का काम सिर्फ वही खत्म हो जाता है जब उसने किताब लिखी और वो गई पब्लिशिंग को.
I think see as a writer, what really your focus point should be is that you have to be an all-rounder. मतलब सक्सेस तुम्हें चॉइस नहीं देता कि कोई बात की देखो बात बोलना नहीं, यार कोई बात करनी सक्सेस मिल जाएगी. नहीं भाई, सक्सेस के लिए you need to keep learning new things, adapting.
Be on the front line.
Be on the front line. I don't know how people make different goals. 4 years so sure that how will world look like next day.
Yeah.
My journey has always been against Project.
And that's what we want to decode.
Yeah.
So you were going through all of this journey with a 1.5 साल था, उसमें कोई ऐसा moment आया जब you thought that probably I could be cheated here, probably I need to have more knowledge.
Oh. See, once the best part about writing and the worst part about writing is that you just need one hit project. Business is absolutely practical towards. तो उसको धंधा दे रहे हो, वो तुम्हें पैसा दे. That's simple as that.
So, Kevin, you wear so many hats, but which one gives you most satisfaction?
I think most satisfaction is it's a mix. Somewhere as a writer, when I'm writing, I miss my office. When I'm in office, I miss my writing. So I think it's kind of like a very interesting relationship, which I don't have a definition to. Believe in the instincts and don't give.
Can a writer solely depend on writing as a full-time career when it comes to financials? Do you think AI is going to shift something in the writing industry?
Yes, of course. Definitely, content is gonna content writers are going to face a lot of challenge because copywriters are going to face a lot of challenge. I don't know how I do. I'll.
Can we talk about ghosts?
Okay, then someone is angry.